Hello, my name is Jess, and welcome to Affirm. You can listen to these affirmations anytime, anywhere, on a walk, doing laundry, or in a traditional meditation setting. Today's positive morning affirmations are for self-love, confidence, and peace. Listen, absorb, and believe with me. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am calm and centered. I am calm and centered. I let go of control and focus on joy. I let go of control and focus on joy. I am excited with the possibility of my life. I am excited with the possibility of my life. I align myself with things and people that support me. I align myself with things and people that support me. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. I am powerful when I am at ease. I am powerful when I am at ease. I am capable and intelligent. I am capable and intelligent. I set firm, loving boundaries to protect my peace. I set firm, loving boundaries to protect my peace. I am confident in my skills and abilities. I am confident in my skills and abilities. I love and support myself. I love and support myself. I trust my decisions to create a life full of happiness. I trust my decisions to create a life full of happiness. I am right where I need to be. I am right where I need to be. I hope you enjoyed these short affirmations and you're feeling uplifted and more positive to start your day. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and share with a friend so that we can grow our beautiful community right here on YouTube. And if you would like to learn more about my offerings, my website is jrockyoga.com and my Instagram is @jrockyoga. I do get to every single message and comment, so if you have any questions, please send me a message and I am happy to connect with you. Have a beautiful day.